What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can correctly use your Wealthsimple app in Canada. Well, the process for that is very simple. So, first of all, obviously, you need to install the Wealthsimple app from the App Store in the iOS case, or if you have Android, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Once you have that, you just have to create your account and then sign in. Once you do that, you just have to fill your profile, complete your profile, fill your personal details, include your financial goals and risk tolerance and investment preferences. No, with the Wealthsimple, you'll be able to, tell the app that you want to make an investment for such amount, and this is how much you are willing to tolerate the risk, and this is how much you want to save, and all the investment preferences as well. Now, afterwards, you can link your bank account and transfer the money. Now, what does this do is it will allow you to choose the investment type, let the Wealthsimple automatically manage your investment based on your risk, or you can pick and manage your own investments, such as stocks or EFTs. Totally depend upon you. You can leave it up to Wealthsimple as well. If you're using self-directed investment, just browse and select the investment from available options, track the portfolio, and then set up recurring deposit to grow your investments over time. Adjust your investments and use the app resources and educational tools to enhance your investment knowledge, because the app have a lot of good resources and tools which will allow you to gain more knowledge about the investments. So that's very much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this very helpful.